What's up, guys? It's Demon Viper, and I just got back from Target. Picked up a couple new toys, and so let's check those out. But first, I'm shooting with the new Sony a6300. If you watched my previous video, you could see my unboxing of it. If you've seen it, you'll see that it's a 4K camera. I'm shooting at 4K right now, and we'll see how it goes with this camera. I did have an issue with it earlier today at the Easter egg hunt, trying to shoot a video, and I will be presenting that to you in a later video on a full review of the a6300. But for now, we will be checking out what I got at Target. So, picked up three things. We picked up a Hot Wheels Retro Series car. This is a Volkswagen SP2. This is a new set. It looks like the Hot Ones, and yeah, so vintage looking box or blister pack, and there's 8 new cars with this right now. Power pipes, the Volkswagen SP2, the 77 Plymouth Arrow, the 68 El Camino, the Battle Spec, the 84 Hurst Olds, the Twin Mill, and a 1987 Toyota pickup. And it seems that everyone's picking up the pickup. So here is the Volkswagen SP2. There were plenty of these on the pegs. A closer look. Nice racing look to this car. This isn't a Volkswagen that they release much, but it is out there. There's been a couple of these. So there you go, the Volkswagen SP2. And I picked up 2 Blaze in the Monster Machine cars that we haven't picked up yet. We saw a couple videos ago, we did find the Grizzly Bear truck, and now we found Joe and Gus. Who are Joe and Gus? But first, let's check out the back. These are all the new ones. Debris, Panda Bear truck, Metallic Blaze, Camouflage Blaze. Here's Joe, the Grizzly Bear truck that we've opened up already, and Gus. So who is Joe? Joe, the biggest racing super fan, along with his best buddy Gus, cheers for his favorite racer Blaze in every single race. Always has a front row seat at the Monster Dome. Loves to root for Blaze with his big foam finger. And as you can see, Joe has a big foam finger. So this is Joe. Let's open him up. He's got a Blaze cap on and his foam finger, which is not made out of foam. It's made out of plastic. Another cool looking Blaze in the Monster Machine truck. So that is Joe. Now check out Gus. He's got like a sweatband on his head. Let's read about Joe. The biggest racing super fan, along with his best buddy Joe. Cheers for his favorite racer Blaze in every race. Has never missed an event at the Monster Dome. Loves to eat hot dogs while watching a race. So who is the biggest racing fan if they are both the biggest racing fan? And they're best friends. I wonder if they fight about that, Joe and Gus. So here is Gus. So there you have it, guys. Some pickups tonight. It's the day before Easter, and this is going up on YouTube on Easter Sunday. So happy Easter to you guys who celebrate Easter. And thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.